Parang siyang mango. Parang mango float. Ang sarap ng chocolate niya.
Ang lambot niya. Gusto ko.
Kaya nga nakapatunggan. It's gonna be around, for the chocolate itself, it's a 10 for me. Medyo nataw na siya nung ano namin. So, mga around lang sa akin.
Mango.
8.5.
6.0 mango. Ano hindi?
8. It's really good. Cool. This is a 10 for me. The texture, the taste, saka soft kasi siya.
Sabi ko, ano ba yung huli ng pistachio?
Huli? Kala ko kulay. Oh.
Para siyang pet, di ba?
10. Yeah.
Pistachio.
It's so good, guys.
Pero akin, di ba, ito yung I, ito yung O. Tigit ito.
9.
9.
Talagang this is so good. I'm gonna finish this. This is gonna be mine. So good. This is the
Truffle bomb.
truffle bomb. I don't know what truffle tastes like. This is
Supposed to be earthy.
This is gonna be my first time. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is my thing. I love dark chocolate, right? It has dark chocolate on it. Hindi siya ganun nakakaumay. So we would need to drink. I would rate this a 10. I love this. It's so good.
Chocolate bomb daw.
Oh no! Try it. Sobrang rich ng chocolate. Nakatulong na wala masyadong ano yung sa outer niya. Hindi siya nakakaumay.
It's bitter.
Yeah, I love dark chocolate.
It's bitter.
What would you rate it? Out of 10.
It's a 10.
See? It's a 10. I love for me, as a dark chocolate lover, you should try this chocolate bomb. So good. So far, good bakers shop.
Marami
Should
na.
definitely try it.
Nalilig na to.
Bye na. Bye-bye.
It is bitter.
No, it's not.